See children, so we have completed the textual grammar topic, that is freedom fighters, poem and textual grammar topics we have completed. Now see the workbook. So workbook grammar we have na. So in the workbook what do we have first? Understanding the text. In that the first one we have answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So what do we have the answers? Just 4 answers you have. Very easy answers you can tell me. So see the question answers. First question, all of you open the workbook and see the lesson. Open that one, freedom fighters. So first question, what do we have ma? First question, read out all of you. Yes, how do brave people behave? How do they behave? They never afraid, they have no afraid at all, right? So that we should write it. Write the question. First question, what is that? How do brave people behave? How do brave people behave? Write the answer for that. Brave people are not the afraid, AFRAID, are not the least afraid they gave in the textbook, na, that we can write. Are not the least afraid. How do brave people behave? Brave people are not the least afraid. Brave people are not the least afraid, right? So what is the question? How do brave people behave? What is the answer? Brave people are not the least afraid. Are not the least afraid, right Nana? And see the second question, read out. Yes, what did the freedom fighters do for others and country? What did the freedom fighters do for the others and country? What did they do? Yes, they are ready to leave their lives. They sacrifice their life, na? Yes, that we can write it. So question, what did freedom fighters do for the others and country? For the others and country. What did freedom fighters do for the others and country? For others and country. What did they do? Write the answer. Freedom fighters. What do we have in the poem? Freedom fighters have laid, LAID, have laid their lives for others and country. So freedom fighters have laid their lives for others and country. Okay, what did freedom fighters do for others and country? So what did they do? The freedom fighters have laid their lives for others and country. For the country and others, they laid their lives life, na? So that we should write it. Okay, Nana? Understood? So now see the third question. Yes, what do the brave people teach us? What do the brave people teach us? So what do they teach us? Yes, they always teach us that is we should be together and we should always fight against the evil and oppressor, right? So Write the question. What is the question? What did the brave people teach us? What did the brave people teach us? What did they teach? See them. What do the brave people? What do the brave people teach us? Answer. Brave people teach us to stand together. Teach us to stand together. Brave people teach us to stand together. To stand together and fight the evil and the oppressor. And fight the evil and the oppressor. And the oppressor. Oppressor spelling na? OPPRESSOR. So, what do the brave people teach us? Brave people teach us to stand together, and to fight the evil and the oppressor. Fight the evil and the oppressor. Right? So, and see the next question. What do we have? What should be our main concern in our life? What should be our main concern in our life? So, what is the main concern in our life? Yes, we must be always very courageous. That should be main concern to us, na? Yes. So write the question. What should be the main concern in our life? What should be the main concern in our life? What should be the main concern? Right answer for that in the sentence. Our main concern in life should be always courageous. Should be always courageous. So what should be the main concern in our life? Our main concern in our life should be always courageous. Okay, so like this we should behave. Okay, ma. So these are the 4 questions. See the first question once. How do brave people behave? Brave people are not the least afraid. How do brave people behave? Brave people are not the least afraid. Okay, ma. And see the next one. What did freedom fighters do for others and country? So freedom fighters have laid their lives for others and country. And what do the brave people teach us? So brave people teach us to stand together and fight the evil and the oppressor. Brave people teach us to stand together and fight the evil and the oppressor. And what should be the main concern in our life? Yes, the main concern, our main concern in life should be always courageous. Should be always courageous. Very bravely we should be. Okay, ma. So these are the answers we have, question answers from this poem. Okay, Nana? So all of you write in your book. Yes, see children. So what do we have here? So the next part in the word search. First part we have write the rhyming words for the following words. Write the rhyming words for the following words. What are the rhyming words they have given? Afraid, together, brave, learn, other, heart. So these words they have given from the poem, right Nana? So in this we have some and some other words also they have given which we don't have rhyming words. Whatever it is, we can write it. Okay. Now see this one. What is the rhyming word? First, whatever possible from the poem we can write. Remaining general we can write. Okay, Nana. So now see the first one. Afraid. Afraid, laid. Afraid, laid. So rhyming word for that, afraid, laid. And next one for the together, oppressor. Together, oppressor, or else together, other, together. Like this also you can write. So shall we write oppressor? Oppressor. So together, oppressor. So that we can take it. So last sound is similar, that is enough. Not only total word. Right, Nana? And now see this one. Next one, what do we have? Brave. Brave, here they didn't give any consonant word. Na? So that's why we can write crave, grave. That we can write it. So crave I am writing. Brave, crave. Okay, Nana? And next one, learn. Learn, concern. Learn, concern. Yes, next one, other, together. Other, together. Okay, other, feather, father. Like this you can write anything. And heart, dot. Heart, dot. In the book they have given dot, na? So that we can take it. So afraid, laid. Together, oppressor. Brave, crave. Learn, concern. Other, together. Heart, dot. Heart, dot. Okay, Nana? So these are the rhyming words, you can take it. So all of you write in your book. Yes, see children, so here we have that in the second part, in the word search B, we have join the prefixes in column A. So here column A, column B we have. So we should join these prefixes. What do you know? Do you know prefixes? Can you remember? Yes, we have discussed this. Prefix means we add something before that word, starting of that word. So column A with the words in the column B to form meaningful words. So this is the prefix part in the column A. So this is the suffix part. So for this, if we add this, we get the new meaningful word. Okay, ma. So then use these words to fill the blanks that follow. So whatever, by adding these prefixes, whatever matching this, whatever we get the words that we should write here, what the meaning of those words they have given here. So for what is the meaning of this word? I mean for this word meaning, whatever the word we get from this, that we should write in these blanks. Okay, so meanings they have given, but the word we should find from this. So first, what are these words? We can find it, match with suitable prefixes. What do we have? First prefixes pre, dis, so an, in, miss. This they have given. These we should suitable to this here. What are those? Lock, visible, place, cover, view. So these we have. To which it is suitable, we should match it. So for the pre, what can we take? Pre-lock, pre-visible, pre-place, pre-cover, preview. Yes, we have the suitable word, preview. Preview. And see the next one, dis. Dislock, disvisible, displace, discover. Very good. So discover. So discover. And next one, unlock. Yes. So we have that now easily. So unlock. And next, invisible, in place. Invisible, right? So we can go for invisible. And next, obviously, misplace. We have this misplace. Misplace. Right. So these are the words. What are the words we got it? Preview, discover, unlock, invisible, misplace. Okay. So these 5 words for the concerned meanings they have given. So we should write in the suitable fill in the blanks. So what do we have? See this one. To find something. So find something. To find it something means what do we call? Yes, finding something means discover. This here we have na discover. Yes, what is the meaning of the discover? To find something. So that's why here we can write it discover. To find something means that is discover. Understood how to write it? Yes, now that cannot be seen. Suppose if we cannot see something, what do we call it? Yes, it is invisible. That is invisible. So which cannot be seen, that is called invisible. Nana. Invisible. Visible means which we can see. Invisible means which we cannot see. Which we cannot see. That we call it invisible things. And next one, to lose something. So we lost something. So that what do we use this one? I lost my book. So somewhere it is misplaced. Right? So to lose something we call it misplace. That we call it misplace. Okay, ma. And see the next one, tell me. Done with a key. What do we do with a key? So we use a key for to unlock the lock, right? So that is that key we use with the key, that is unlock it. Unlock it. Right? And next one, a clip from a film shown before its release. So before releasing any film, already they see one time now. What is that? Yes, preview show. Preview. Right. So a clip from a film shown before its release, that we call it preview. Understood, Nana? So whatever we have here, by adding the prefixes, whatever the words we got it, that those words we should fill in the blanks because they have given the meanings of those words. So what are those? To find something means that is called discover. That cannot be seen. Something which we cannot see, that we call it invisible. And to lose something, that we call it misplace. And done with a key. So what do we do with the key? Unlock it. So unlock. And a clip from a film shown before its release, that we call it preview. Preview show or preview. Okay, Nana? So these are the words. Match the following and for that concern meanings. Okay, children? So write answers in your book, all of you. Yes, see children, so the next one we have, using a dictionary, write 2 different meanings of each of these words. So here we must use the dictionary. So here they gave the words, total 5 words. For that we should find 2 different meanings for those words. And then write sentences for both the meanings. So 2 different meanings we should find. For them we should find the meanings also. I mean sentences also. Should find the 2 different meanings, and then using that we should write the sentences also. Using the sentences also. Okay, children. So now see the first one. What do we have? First one we have afraid. First one we have afraid. Afraid. So what is the meaning of the afraid? So one is afraid means scared. Afraid means scared. So one is afraid means scared. And another one is frightened. One meaning is scared and another one is frightened. Another one is frightened. Okay, children. So now write the answers for this to using these 2 sentences. One is, I am telling scared. A boy is, you can write, the boy is scared. The boy is scared of the dog. The boy is scared of the dog. Okay, ma. And so, what is the word here? Scared. And frightened. Frightened. Now we can write, she is frightened of thunder. She is frightened of thunder. Okay, ma. So what is the word here? Frightened. Okay. So here afraid, they gave the word afraid. Afraid, two different meanings we have. One is scared and another one is frightened. One is scared and another one is frightened. So by using the scared, what is the word we can, the sentence we can write? The boy is scared of the dog. Okay, she is, and frightened we can write, she is frightened of thunder. She is frightened of thunder. Okay, ma. So this is the first one. Okay, understood? And see the second one, what do we have? Stand. Second one we have stand. So what are the meanings we can write for the stand? Stand means we can write a belief, and another one is determination. One is belief and another one is determination. Stand means here we can take it. One is belief and another one is determination. Belief, determination. So stand means belief, determination. That we can take it. And now write the sentence for that. So the man has strong belief. The man has a strong belief in Buddhism. The man has a strong belief in Buddhism. So that is we stand with us with that. And another one, determination. I admired him. I admired him for his determination. For his determination. Determination. So great, strong stand on that. Determination. So great feeling, that is a work to do something till it completes. So determination. Okay, must stand means we can take it two different meanings means. One is belief and another one is determination. So by using the belief word we can write, the man has a strong belief in Buddhism. The man has strong belief in Buddhism. And determination, by using that we can write, I admired him for his determination. I admired him for his determination. Okay, Nana? And see the next one, what do we have? Third one, evil. Third one we have evil. So evil, what can we write the meanings? Evil, one is bad and another one is wicked. One is bad and another one is wicked. Bad we can take it and one is wicked people we can take it. So what are the sentences we can write for this? And see that fire and water. Fire and water are good servants. Fire and water are good servants. Fire and water are good servants, but bad masters. But bad masters. So fire and water are good servants. Yes, whenever we have the fire, immediately we can stop that fire with the water, right? So that's a good servants. But bad masters, can they lead means not at all. So that we can write. And another sentence. So here bad we are using. And next one, wicked. So wicked. So a wicked man, we can take the word sentence here. A wicked man is his own hell. His own hell. So wicked man means always they create some disturbance to themselves. They are not at all pleasant or they are not at all happy. So wicked people means always cruel activities they do, right? So they are not at all pleasant. So that's why they only create their own hell, mess. Okay, so two more are there. So first these three you see. Afraid means we can write scared, frightened. Two meanings. By using the scared, what can we write? The boy is scared of the dogs. And using the frightened, we can write she is frightened of thunder. Right, Nana? And next one, stand. Stand we can write belief and determination. What is the sentence for belief? The man has strong belief in Buddhism. And determination, what can we write? I admired him for his determination. Right, Nana? And next one, evil. Evil means what can we write? Bad are there, wicked. Bad people, wicked people, we call it evil. So bad we can write fire and water are good servants, but bad masters. And another wicked for that we can write a wicked man is his own hell. A wicked man is his own hell. Okay, Nana? So these are the words we have. And next we can write remaining two. So first all of you write these three. Write in your book. Yes, see children. Now fourth one, what do we have? Three we have completed. Na? Fourth one we can write fight. Fourth one we have fight. So what is the meaning of a fight here? Fight means we can take battle. One is a battle. One is a battle and another one is a quarrel. One is a battle and another one is a quarrel. So what is the meaning of the battle and quarrel? That we can write fight. Fight means it's a battle, quarrel. Two we have. So using the battle you can write a sentence. So see this one. They defeated the enemy. They defeated the enemy in the battle. In the battle. So they defeated the enemy in the battle. Right, Nana? And next one is a quarrel. Quarrel. So here battle you underline it. And quarrel what do we have? I do not want. I don't want to pick a quarrel with her. To pick a quarrel with her. That we can write it, or else I don't want a quarrel with you. So quarrel with her. So quarrel. So fight means you can take two meanings. That is, one is battle and another one is quarrel. So what is the sentence we can write for battle? They defeated the enemy in the battle. And quarrel we can write I do not want to pick a quarrel with her. Okay, so that we can write for the quarrel. And next one, what do we have? Fifth one, troubles. We have troubles. So troubles means what do we have? One is difficulties and another one is problems. Difficulties and another one is problems. So those two are troubles only, na? So write the sentence with the difficulties. Bad planning will lead to difficulties later. Bad planning will lead to difficulties later. So bad planning will lead to difficulties later. So these are the problems later, right? Troubles later. That we get it. And so write the sentence with the problem. He can solve math problems easily. He can solve math problems easily, right? You solve math problems very easily, na? So that's why these difficulties, problems. So troubles means difficulties, problems. So difficulties we can write bad planning will lead to difficulties later. Problems, if we take it, he can solve math problems very easily, right? So two meanings for each word, and by using them to write the sentences. Okay, Nana? Completed? Have understood how to write it? Yes, very good. So write all these answers in your book. Write down first. See children, so here we have in this match the following columns. So different topic they have given, but all of you know this very easy topic to you. So you got in the previous classes and now also in the EVS, even in English. These are general topics, general knowledge also. So what are these columns? Column A, column B they have given. What did they give in this? Here, Bill Gates, William Shakespeare, Albert Einstein, Neil Armstrong and Udham Singh. So these names they have given. Who are these people? See, writer, businessman, freedom fighter, scientist, astronaut. So the names they have given and these people of their profession, who are those they have given. So which is the suitable that we should write it? All of you know, na? So now all of you know that is Bill Gates is a famous, yes, businessman, right? So first match that one. Bill Gates is businessman. So match that one. And William Shakespeare, all of you know, famous writer, world famous writer, poet, dramatist, world famous writer. So then we can write William Shakespeare, writer, match that one. And now Albert Einstein, yes, that is he's a great scientist. Albert Einstein is a great scientist. And next Neil Armstrong, yes, astronaut. Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. And next Udham Singh, he is very good, a freedom fighter. Udham Singh is a freedom fighter. Right, Nana? So, Bill Gates is a businessman. William Shakespeare is a writer. Albert Einstein is a scientist. Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. And Udham Singh is a freedom fighter. Freedom fighter. So, write all these, match the following, you do it. So, write answers. Match it all of you properly. Okay, children? So, these are the names of the people and their work. So who are those people that they have given? Okay, Nana? Clear? So write down. All of you write down. See children, so the last topic in this poem Freedom Fighters, that is writing skills. This is the work for you only, writing skills. So what do we have in the writing skills? All of you see, paste the picture of a freedom fighter. So any freedom fighter or your favorite freedom fighter, what do you know about them? So first paste the picture of that freedom fighter here. and write few lines about him or her. Who is that freedom fighter? That first, that picture you should paste it, and about him or about her you should write few lines, just 4 lines, 4 to 5 lines you can write here. Okay children, so you have different favorite freedom fighters na? So that's why you only collect your favorite freedom fighter picture and write some sentences about that person. Okay Nana, will you do it? Yes, I am giving time to you. Okay, no problem. Not only now, at home I am giving 1 week time to you. For the next week class you can complete this work. Okay children, so do that one.